Flail Mower. Okay, this is like a lawnmower kind of thing, except the blades. It's like okay, there's a. The blades are kind of like L-shaped, and it's on an axle, and these things sort of flop around on the thing, and there's one going up like this, one going down, and and they're not really sharp either. So it just basically beats the grass and cuts it, mulches it into small little pieces no bigger than this. And very aggressive machine. You can cut small twigs or whatever, or things that are growing about maybe up to about 1/4 inch at most, and 3 feet tall. And so it'll just plow through this stuff. This one here is going to show you some cover of some, looks like some sunflowers, and so you can use it just to mow everything down, and then you would follow it with either a tiller or a power harrow, and or cover it with some tarps and kill the residue. But yeah, really make short work of it and turns it into a mulch, which is nice. If you had a cover crop of mustard or buckwheat or something like that, you could mow it down and then cover it with a tarp for 4 weeks, and it would break down, and then you could take the power harrow and incorporate it into your soil or your tiller, and then you would add a lot of organic matter to your soil and other nutrients to the soil.